So it looks super innocent right there, but it dipped really fucking.
Yeah, there's a pretty big dip. If you're hauling ass, you'll go over the bars or just bounce. Camuesa Connector Trail. Got Mr. Redbeard leading over here. My first time on the trail. We just did 19 Oaks Trail. We're already up here. Might as well do this.
Now we just find my way back in the car.
Killer downhill, bro. Well, doing both trails doesn't seem that gnarly. I mean, my legs are burnt, but not like I'm not gonna be in pain later.
Before I hurt myself, I was talking about doing this. I didn't think today would be the day that I would jump right into it.
Just jump back into it full bore, dude.
Usually it's one or the other. 19 felt pretty short.
Yeah, that's a pretty quick downhill.
And then there's some relatively gentle, kind of flowy down.
Cool.
And then there's the steepest fucking surprise in Santa Barbara, but it's an uphill surprise.
Oh.
Talk about the left after the tree.
Yeah. And fucking snowshoes to walk up it.
Video dudes cut all this part out. They make it seem like it's all downhill.
Yeah, no, they show that bombing.
Yeah, and that's
And
it.
then a little fast forward, and then
Yeah.
It cuts into the next section after this. And now there's some sections you have to work at.
Yeah.
It's not a total freebie through here, but overall,
it's good.
yeah. Don't have high confidence today, but
I'm gonna burn out right over there.
still gonna
So
shoot
I'll let you guys go first.
Actually, you probably have a better chance than me.
I'm not even gonna try it.
Well, then here we go.
Go for it. Go for it, Will. Oh, you got it? All right.
Or I'll probably find it up there.
Yeah. Yeah. You're already halfway there, I guess. Oh yeah. Walk time. You're a beast.
You ride that?
Animal.
I'm pretty surprised because I went completely against Joe Dirt's advice, and I definitely had no in my heart. One of the last times I ate shit on this, so.
Really?
I came around a corner, my front end washed out.
Yeah.
I did it last time as well. So people slide out here. It's just a lot of like pea gravel. Almost.
Yeah.
So
maybe I should air down a little more even. At least my front wheel. I think my front wheel is the one that kind of cruises on me sometimes. So. Oh shit, I'm on a hard, I was on the easy, wrong gear. Grab the pedal, there's no pedal there. Front wheel. Ooh, highline, I missed that. Yeah, decent air. Scary to jump these things. I don't know what it turns at or anything. Foot down, moto style. Ooh, tight. Ooh, switchbacks are pretty quick. Ah, oh, got it. Shifting under power. I was getting loose a couple times, man. Feet off and everything.
what's that?
So I got loose a couple times. Foot off and everything.
Yeah, that's supposed to be so much fun. Alright, so around this.
The steepest fucking surprise. The steepest fucking surprise.
Nope. You made it? Holy shit.
Oh my god!
I couldn't even walk up it, it's so slippery.
Oh, I was right off the hill, but I made it.
Dude, you're a beast. I couldn't even walk up that.
Oh my god. There's the first.
That's insane.
I fucking started hopping my front wheel right, and it was like, turn. Oh. Alright, I definitely should have been at this air pressure
Earlier.
going down 19. So much grippier. Dude.
Oh, dude, I was gonna ride this, but I heard you talking, and I didn't want to crash into you.
I fucking made it.
Did you really?
You rode up it.
Wow.
It was like all panic. That last like bit of the shade right there, and the front end started hopping right towards this, and like this foot's like hanging half off the pedal, and like, but I fucking pulled it through.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, that shit's steep. I couldn't even walk up it.
Well, see, now I know I just need to warm up on 19.
You'd probably be coming here cold.
And I need a 17-mile warm up. Or a 7-mile warm up. Fucking sweet.
Beast mode.
I mean, I'm done for the rest of the ride.
Well, it is almost all downhill, so.
More or less, yeah. There's the one.
Is that the surprise you were talking about, or is there? Yeah, cool.
There's some gross little climbs throughout here.
Yeah.
But not terrible.
Yeah, you were roasting it, dude. I was keeping up with you for a minute, and I blew off the pedal, and then you were gone.
I tried to follow you line even up that first right-hander where you
Oh,
took an eye
yeah.
on the wall, but I was substantially slower, and I was like, oh, this is bad.
Yeah, you gotta have speed, huh? Because there was one high line, and I knew I couldn't go up there. I was going slow. Caught air on a couple of spots.
Yeah, there's some nice little jumps in there.
Yeah.
And what you're getting used to is a nice jump into a downhill
Yeah.
motion.
There's one, if I can see far enough ahead, I'll pull. Like there was like a straightaway and then like a pretty deep berm, and it had a little pop. So I jumped almost all the way down to the berm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty far. Because I'll pull on it if I know where I'm going to land.
On the ground.
Yeah, right? If I'm gonna land on my
almost guaranteed.
Yeah, if I'm gonna land on my pedals. My biggest fear is going down this shit.
Doing Trespass Trail one time, I fucking went off and I fell. And what I thought would be just, bushes when my feet blew through. And luckily it caught me in my crotch, but my feet are just dangling over the edge.
Oh shit.
Bushes around me. I was like, oh.
No way.
Oh, guys. Fucking everybody's gone.
Oh shit, I'm in the wrong gear. There we go.
Just starting heavy.
Yeah. Let's do it. See if I can hang on. That's the one? Sweet. Oh, you got it, you got it. I stayed on the bike. That was ridiculous. Whoa, get loose, get loose. Off trail, off trail. Another hard turn. Oh, getting off in the rut. There we go. Get off the back of my seat a bit, I think. Oh, wait. I almost went down on that turn because I thought you were gonna go, and then I'm oh shit, he stopped, and then I like stopped, and the bike started leaning into the hill.
Oh fuck.
And I managed to get back on. I didn't go down.
That's probably the fastest I've ever run through that section.
You were hauling ass, dude.
Slow down, and then all of a sudden you go, oh shit.
Oh shit. Just jumped before that drop. Shit. Pedal chunk. We're good. Dude, I jumped a little drop. And then there was a turn, or there was something right after. I'm like, oh shit.
That was your gear, a little climbing. And then I think we pretty much took the last section.
Nope. Foot on the rock. I got stuck in the same spot. Yeah, same. Oh. Came in hot, slid out. This guy's climbing like a beast over here. Dude, I don't know how you have that much gas left. Well, I've slid out a few times, blown off the pedals, but I still haven't gone down. Somehow managed to hang on.
You say that.
Well, one thing I learned on this bike, I don't let go of the grips.
You're following up. I'm running out of gas because I haven't gone down yet. I will say for going, I don't know if he has the stamina and endurance for all this climbing to do something like this that I haven't done before. Pretty fucking impressive.
Not as fat as I thought I was.
That's some fun.
Oh shit. Picked the wrong line on that one. Gear. Let's get some gear. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Whoa. These turns. I sound like Christopher Walken. These turns, they're sneaking up on me. I don't like your guy. Oh, bouncy. You don't stay on the trail. Ooh, sketch. Almost went down in that. Pretty damn bumpy. Narrow. All right. Ooh. I don't know if I can get around this line. There, we'll just do it the easy way. Get off. Pretty tight rock. Couple hairy situations there. Had to get off. There's that rock around the corner. I'm like, I don't think I could navigate it. I went high.
Which one?
Right, just right here on this turn right here.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I walked it a mile.
Will was talking about
Yeah.
the shitty line. It's such a strange one.
I'm gonna slow my rebound down. My front wheel is bouncing. Was that it right there? I think that was it. No. Hey, you made it through.
Huh.
I had to get off.
Like you had an issue.
I had to get off and do this.
The last section, and then we're back on the road.
Sweet. Yeah. Oh man, getting loose. Yeah. Yeah, changing my rebound really helped there.
Feel more planted?
Yeah, I was bouncing around on that other section.
Oh, I could tell I was tired through there. I was sloppy. And anytime I tried to leave the ground, it was just fucking stiff-armed dead sailors.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Is that deep? You can't ride across it, huh?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, is it not that deep?
I mean, I got halfway across and then hit a rock and lost it last time. It's definitely rideable.
I can.
I just don't want to be dragging my bottom bracket through it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait it though.
Fuck it. Shoes off.
Shoes on because I don't give a fuck. So.
I'm gonna ride on these tomorrow, so I gotta keep them dry.
In that case, it'll probably take them more than a day.
Yeah.
I just don't want sopping wet shoes in my house while I'm gone. I'll rock the socks through though.
Actually, not that. I mean,
You think it looks like you can ride across it, dude? You don't think we can ride across it?
Yeah, it's just barely past his ankle.
Let's try riding it.
Okay.
No?
Wrong gear. Should start.
Oh yeah, you got it. Oh, dude, that is deep. Yeah. He's tall as shit. All right, fuck it, shoes off, because I got to ride in these shoes. Or I could probably carry this thing. Fuck it, let's see. Pants will probably get wet. I haven't been in any form of water in the San Ynez riverbed since I was a kid. I used to play in this thing all the time. Pretty much lived in the river. And one day, I stopped giving a shit about the water. Don't know why. So clear. Made it through. There's a horse shit. Oh, there. Hang on to that. And I'll probably slide into that. All right, fuck it, we made it. Now I'm the dude that's got to put his shoes back on.